Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this time around I finally got a microphone to improve my video quality. So let me know what you think. I think the sound quality now, when I tested it by myself, it's way better. So I hope it's better for you guys, and again I thank you guys for your support. Without your support and encouragement, I wouldn't have had the motivation, to make more videos, improve the sound quality, etc. So in this video, we're going to be covering the backcourt footwork. And again, let's start with videos by the professionals. So for the backcourt footwork, it's actually pretty complex. We can go from the basics to really high advanced level backcourt footwork, and not only that, there is the typical swing footwork, the ones that I show you in the video, and there's also the transition footwork. So the transition footwork is actually a lot more advanced, and I will be covering all of this. But the thing is that because it's big topic, so I'm going to break it down into multiple videos. So what I want you to do is, for this video, it's going to be a beginner's video. So I want you to try to complete and be able to do this exercise first before moving to the next one. Alright, so complete one at a time. That's what I want you to do. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so to go back straight. Again, ready position, done, side step. Ready, swing, then side step forward, and return. One more time. Turn, back, swing, come back. So what you need to do is you need to try to get behind this white line. Alright? Once again. Swing, come back. Again. Swing, come back. Okay? Swing, come back. So if it's difficult, start slow. Alright, so once you're able to do it a lot quicker, then we try to speed it up. Go behind, swing, come back. Ready? Swing, come back. Swing, come back. Go Okay? Once you're able to move backwards easily, now we can talk about moving diagonally. So to move diagonally is the same thing, just that now the direction that you're moving towards is to the side. So try to draw an imaginary line all the way to the corner, back to the middle, all the way to the corner, and back to the middle. Okay? So same thing, ready position, change, side step. Return to the base. Alright, same thing. Turn. Imaginary line. Side step. Stop. Swing. Return. Okay, so this overhead part is going to be the hardest part for you to learn because the position is a little awkward. But you need to try to practice until you get used to this movement. Okay, so same thing. Ready position. Turn. Side step. Swing. Again. Turn. Side step, swing. So once you're able to do this well, then you need to practice both sides. You notice when I was doing the footwork, there was very little breaks. So even though you may be making a little bit mistakes here and there, because when you're practicing, you can't get the form perfectly for the first few times you practice. It's alright. Most importantly, I need you to focus on speed. You need to make sure that your movement is very fluid, like you're able to move back, move, so that there is no break. That way it's most applicable to your game right now, alright? Breathless. So the way we practice this is about 15 to 20 repetitions. We do about 3 sets, alright? So if you haven't already, you should watch this video on how do you properly practice footwork, so that you can actually practice footwork the right way, right? I'll post a link somewhere around here, so check it out. And now it's time for you to put it into practice, okay? So 15 to 20 repetitions, 3 sets. Rest time, it's up to you. You can rest as long as you like, but I would recommend 90 seconds if you're 1 minute to 90 seconds if you're fit, okay? So what I need you to practice is the V shape. So move to the side, swing, come back, change, return, change, return. Okay, that one I didn't touch the line, so that was a bad footwork, okay? Try to reach behind that white line, and that's the first exercise you need to do. The second exercise you need to do is this. At the back, ready position, swing, return, swing, return, swing, return, swing, return, swing, return. Okay, so you need to train yourself until you are very agile with your hands and your foot, so that you can do this very smoothly. Because this coordination is very, very important if you want to learn the more advanced techniques, okay? So, sorry, the more advanced backcourt footwork techniques. So, 2 exercises, the V shape as well as this. Whatever you call it, stationary swing. So now let's go over some of the common mistakes that I see a lot of beginners make when practicing this exercise. The first is when they swing. They don't actually turn their shoulders. You see, notice when I turn my shoulders and my legs. A lot of beginners, they just do this. Alright? So, first is the shoulders. You need to turn your shoulders and your torso. Turn. That's the first common mistake. The second common mistake is coordination. Because you notice it's my master foot, master hand. So if you're left-hander, left leg, left hand. Right-hander, right leg, right hand. But a lot of times I see beginners make the mistake of wrong hand, wrong foot. So what they'll do is something like this. Like this. Something like that. Was it? And they'll... Alright? So, again, shoulders and master hand, master foot. Alright? Turn. And come back. So that's the 2 common mistakes. The third common mistake that beginners make is coordination. So what happens is that their hands and legs are not coordinated. So we need to try to coordinate them. Let me give you an example. It needs to be in sync. So when my leg switch, my hand switches at the same time. And notice my whole shoulder turns. Switch. So a lot of beginners, they will do this. Or they'll do this. They'll swing and then move their leg. So you notice you need to coordinate your arms and legs at the same time. Together. Only then you can get the momentum at the same time power. Because if you use a master foot, imagine throwing a ball. Alright? That's the next mistake. And the last common mistake is that they would land on one foot. So here's what happens. Alright? They would land or something like this. Or they will swing and land. So what happens is that when you land on one foot, you lose a lot of balance. And when you're not balanced, you cannot actually use a lot of strength because you're not in the position to use a lot of strength. So that affects your speed a lot. So you need to try to make sure both legs lifts off and lands at the same time, alright? Lift, land. See both legs in sync. And I hope you learned something new. And as always, if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Smash it 2 times if you like, 3 times if you like, and head over to our website where I share with you a free basic badminton checklist where you can check the boxes of all the different techniques that you need to learn. And for those of you who are subscribed, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting a lot of emails at all because I've been very busy trying to make this video work. So please understand, but I hope the checklist has been useful. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the intermediate backcourt footwork. Bye!